1-2, apply the segment addition postulate. Number 4, find the value of the variable and line segment PB if B is between A and B. Let me just draw this out. It seems like all of them have the same image. So it all follows this image. Here's the line. Then it contains these points. So here is A, and here is B, and then P is somewhere in the middle, or somewhere here. It doesn't have to be the middle, and it's not the middle, okay? So that's how the picture looks like for all of them. So I'm just gonna grab the image, paste it for all of them, okay? Because you're going to use that image for all of them. Now let's label this. It says for A, AP is 7. So let's label AP as 7. That's what this piece is. Then we have PB, which is 3x. So this is 3x. Then we know the total here is equal to 25. So by segment addition postulate, we can now set up this equation. AP, line segment AP plus line segment PB is going to be equal to line segment AB. Let me just move everything down so we can see it much better. Just going to move this down. Now let's substitute the values in. Line segment AB was 7. Line segment PB is 3x. And that equals the total, which is 25. This is 3x. Okay. We can now solve for x. Subtract 7, subtract 7. This gets you, this cancels, leaving you 3x is equal to 25 minus 7. That is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 8. Okay, 18. Now divide by 3 to both sides. This cancels, leaving you with an x equals to, this looks like a 6. Okay. Now we're not done. We found x. We want to find PB. PB, line segment PB is equal to 3x. So we make the substitution. 3 parentheses, put a 6 there. So we can say line segment PB is equal to 18. Let's look at B. It says AB is 4C, so let's just label that. This is 4C from here to here. PB is from here to here, which is 2C. Then we have the entire thing is equal to 9. Here we can now set up the equation. Line segment AP plus line segment PB is equal to line segment AB. Let's plug in the values. This is 4C plus 2C is equal to 9. Okay. So 4C plus 2C is 6C. That equals to 9. We divide both sides by 6. Divide both sides by 6. C is equal to 9 over 6, which can be simplified to 3 over 2. Now we want to find PB. PB is equal to 2C. So now we can make that substitution. 2 parentheses, 3 over 2. Okay, this is just multiplication when they're right next to each other. Okay, so this is 2 times 3, which is 6, divided by 1 times 2, which is 2. 6 over 2 can be simplified to just 3. So the line segment of PB is equal to 3. Let's look here now. AB is equal to S plus 2. S plus 2. PB is equal to 4S. And the total here, which is going to be 8s minus 7. Now we could set up the equation. AB, line segment AP plus line segment PB is equal to line segment AB. Plug it in. S plus 2 plus 4s is equal to 8s minus 7. S plus S, we combine like terms, that becomes 5s. Bring down the plus 2 is equal to 8s minus 7. We combine like terms first. Now we can move the variables. Minus s. This gets you 2 equals to 8s minus 5s is 3s. Bring down the minus 7. We want to add 7 to both sides. This gets us 9 equal to 3s. Divide both sides by 3. This cancels, leaving you with 3 is equal to s. We're not done because remember, the original problem asked us to solve for PB. So we want to write the PB equation. PB is equal to 4s. We want to now substitute in what our s is. Our s here is 3. So 4 parentheses, this is a 3 now. 4 times 3 is 12. So line segment PB is equal to 12. Let's take a look here at question D. I'm going to move it over to give ourselves a little bit more room to work with. Let's label it. AB is negative 2k. Then from PB, it is k plus 6. Then we have the entire thing, which is AB, which is equal to 11. Now we could write the equation. Line segment AP plus line segment PB is equal to line segment AB. This is now negative 2k plus PB, which is k plus 6, is equal to 11. Let's combine some like terms. Negative 2k plus k gives us negative 1k plus 6 is equal to 11. We could subtract 6 to both sides, leaving us with negative 1k is equal to 5? Yes, positive 5. Okay, this is a negative 1, so we have to divide by negative 1 to both sides, leaving us with a k is equal to negative 5. We want to find what PB is. PB is equal to k plus 6. Let's plug in our k value, which is negative 5. What's our k value? We have to add 6. Negative 5 plus 6 is just 1. That is the value of line segment PB.